There was a Brooklyn plumber named Mario with a thick brown moustache. He found himself in a world known as the Mushroom Kingdom. As Mario explored this new world, he discovered a beautiful kingdom filled with mushroom-shaped houses and friendly creatures who looked like walking mushrooms called toads. Mario's mission was to rescue the kidnapped princess named Peach, who had long blonde hair and always wore a pink dress. Peach was captured by a ruthless fire-breathing monster named Bowser. Mario met a helpful little mushroom named Toad, who was short and round with a red-spotted cap. Toad told Mario that his brother Luigi had also been kidnapped by Bowser and hidden in one of his many castles. Bowser was a large and menacing reptile with red spikes on his back. He ruled over the Mushroom Kingdom with an iron fist, and everyone lived in fear of him. Mario's brother Luigi was wearing a green shirt and hat with an L on it. He was also a plumber, and the two of them had always worked together. Mario and Toad travelled across the Mushroom Kingdom, fighting through treacherous castles filled with lava and fire traps to find Bowser's hideout and rescue Peach and Luigi. After braving countless dangers and defeating Bowser's minions, Mario and his friends finally reached Bowser's lair. In a heroic moment, they defeated Bowser and saved the Mushroom Kingdom from his tyranny.